Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to get Hanoi Academy. Let's get started! The first way from the intersections we call Gangnam intersections and go straight to reach the Miti Street. Going about 250 meters on Miti Street. You might see the first turning point on the right hand side and we will turn right here. As you can see, your right hand side is MSB Bank. And the left side is Sudico, which is opposite Sudico building, would be CT4 building. In the other way to approach Hanoi Academy is that from Phạm Hồng Street. Do you see the building over there? Exactly, that is Gangnam building. But hold on, we are not going there. We will turn right at the Tân Văn Lai Street, and in front of you guys is the main gate to Meeting Sunda urban area. Keep moving forward. You will see the first intersections. We are gonna turn left here. And you see our left is Miến Lạch Gangnam. Let's go straight for about 200 meters. When you see K Market on the left hand side, please turn left at this junction. On the left hand side is Cha 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 restaurant. On the right hand side is Sudico building. And the opposite Sudico is definitely the CT4 building. If you have your own car or motorbike, please go down to this tunnel to park your own. And then turn back. And you go straight towards step 5. Then you go into the lobby, press the elevator, and go to 8th floor. Finally, we are on the 8th floor, and this is Hanoi Academy. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we are always here to support you. The contact information will be at the end of this video. See you someday in Hanoi Academy and goodbye!